What if you could hire a teammate who never sleeps, understands your goals instantly, works across tools without burnout, and costs less than your monthly Netflix subscription? That future is no longer fiction, it's now. In 2025, we've crossed a threshold. AI is no longer something you chat with, it's something you collaborate with. The evolution of AI has brought us to a new frontier, one where intelligent digital coworkers are no longer the domain of sci-fi, but real, functioning teammates. The most revolutionary among them, the ChatGPT agent. It's not a chatbot, it's not a plugin, it's not even just a smart assistant. A ChatGPT agent is an autonomous, task-completing machine designed to understand, plan, and act on your goals with little to no hand-holding. Let's cut through the hype and understand what makes this different. A traditional AI model waits for your instructions. It needs your prompts, your files, your commands, every single time. But a ChatGPT agent doesn't just wait to be told what to do. So how does it pull all this off? The core of the ChatGPT agent is powered by OpenAI's state-of-the-art model GPT-4o. But the magic lies in what surrounds it. Goal-based reasoning systems, memory features, tool integrations, and a smart orchestration layer that holds it all together. It uses multiple virtual browsers behind the scenes. One is a visual browser that can fill out forms or click through websites like a human. Another is a fast text-based browser for scanning structured content at lightning speed. It also operates a terminal where it can write and execute Python code, manipulate files, or even analyze data in real time. The result is an AI that not only understands natural language, but also knows how to work. The agent moves between browsing, scripting, data collection, and email automation in a single seamless flow, never losing context, always adapting to the task at hand. All of this is tied together with persistent memory. It doesn't just remember your last prompt, it remembers your workflow, your preferences, your priorities. This is not just automation, it's intelligent delegation. And that's what makes it so groundbreaking. OpenAI didn't just create a smarter bot. They created a digital infrastructure where AI agents can function as trusted teammates. They stop before taking any irreversible action, seeking your permission for purchases, emails, or data entry. They narrate their actions in real time, so you're never left guessing what's happening. You can pause them, correct them, or ask for changes mid-task. It's automation you can talk to, shape, and evolve with. Let's talk about some use cases that are already shaking up industries. Marketers are using ChatGPT agents to plan and schedule posts, run A/B tests, analyze engagement metrics, generate reports, and even manage client communication without toggling through 5 different platforms. Sales teams have discovered that agents can qualify leads, update CRM entries, and even generate custom sales pitches. Financial professionals are building quarterly reports and forecasting models without lifting a finger. Admins are scheduling meetings, booking flights, and organizing documents automatically. Students are summarizing papers, generating citations, and getting editable outlines built in real time. The applications aren't just professional, they're personal too. Need to plan a family vacation? The agent compares ticket prices, books hotels, creates a detailed itinerary, and syncs it all with your calendar. Want to create a grocery list based on your favorite recipes? The agent can scrape the ingredients, compare prices, and generate a downloadable list for you. It can plan events, send reminders, set goals, and execute on them. What's truly remarkable? It is how ChatGPT agents are becoming enablers of creativity and strategic thinking. Content creators are no longer tied down by repetitive workflows. With agents handling editing, scripting, metadata tagging, and publishing, creators are free to focus on originality and innovation. Educators are also embracing this evolution. Personalized lesson planning, interactive tutoring, and real-time grading powered by agents are reshaping the learning experience. A teacher can define a curriculum, and the agent adapts resources, quizzes, and feedback mechanisms to suit each student's pace and needs. This is transforming classrooms from static learning zones into adaptive AI-augmented environments. In healthcare, professionals are experimenting with agents for triage simulations, appointment scheduling, insurance verification, and paperwork automation. While agents don't replace medical judgment, they handle time-consuming admin work, giving caregivers more time for patients. Even small clinics are achieving enterprise-level efficiency, providing better service with fewer resources. Nonprofits are discovering the power of agents to draft grant proposals, track donor communications, analyze fundraising data, and manage logistics for outreach campaigns. What was once limited to large-scale operations is now accessible to grassroots movements and solo changemakers. In essence, AI agents are democratizing operational power across sectors. And it's not just the workplace that's being transformed. Households are also benefiting in surprising ways. Agents can now manage utility bills, keep track of home maintenance schedules, compare service provider rates, and even help with tax prep. Acting like invisible personal managers, they ensure nothing slips through the cracks. For families, agents are stepping into roles like digital caretakers, reminding kids about school assignments, helping elderly family members schedule appointments, or even monitoring grocery stock through smart appliances. Their integration into smart homes is redefining convenience at a foundational level. As more platforms become agent-compatible, from smart calendars to payment apps, the interconnectivity of AI agents will only deepen. You'll soon have agents that not only respond to tasks, but proactively suggest them. Imagine an agent reminding you to reorder printer ink because it noticed a drop in usage patterns before you even realize you're running low. This proactive behavior is what makes agents so powerful. It's no longer about automating what you tell them to do. It's about anticipating needs. And that ability signals a broader shift in how we view technology, not just as tools, but as collaborative partners. This is a true redefinition of capability. And the best part? You don't need to be a developer to build one. Using custom GPTs from OpenAI or platforms like Zapier, Notion AI, or Replit, anyone can build their own agent. Start by defining a goal, say automating weekly newsletters. Then map out what needs to be done. Pull the data, write the content, design the email, and send it. Give your agent access to tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, Canva, or MailChimp. Add memory or detailed instructions to shape how it speaks, what tone it uses, and what kind of outcomes you expect. Test it, refine it, launch it. And if you are a developer, you're entering a golden age. Tools like LangChain and OpenAI's Assistant API let you craft agents with multi-step logic, real-time memory, recursive planning, and even multi-agent coordination. Think of it as building your own AI-powered assembly line, each agent handling a different part of your workflow. But why now? Why is 2025 the year of the ChatGPT agent? First, the technology has matured. GPT-4o is faster, smarter, and more adaptable than ever before. Second, the tooling ecosystem has finally caught up, making it easy to connect agents with CRMs, spreadsheets, APIs, browsers, and design platforms. And third, the demand for scalable, intelligent automation has exploded. Businesses want to do more with less. Solopreneurs want to scale like enterprises. Enterprises want to reduce costs while maintaining speed. ChatGPT agents hit that sweet spot, and the results speak for themselves. In benchmark testing, ChatGPT agents achieved 89.9% accuracy in data analysis, 71.3% in investment modeling, and 45.5% in spreadsheet automation, more than double the performance of legacy tools like Copilot. Even complex tasks like creating editable slide decks or conducting multi-site research now take minutes instead of hours. We're no longer talking about saving seconds, we're reclaiming entire workdays. Of course, no revolution comes without its challenges. There are real concerns about safety, privacy, and control, and OpenAI has addressed them head on. The agent always seeks your confirmation before high-impact actions. You can enable watch mode to supervise live workflows. Sensitive credentials are kept hidden, even when the agent is executing tasks on your behalf. You can wipe logs, cookies, or browsing history with a click. And a dedicated public bug bounty ensures that vulnerabilities are patched before they become problems. This is why experts across industries are calling it the most secure automation framework ever built. And if you think one agent is impressive, wait until you meet their siblings. The future lies in multi-agent systems. Picture this. One agent handles SEO research, another writes the content, a third reviews analytics, and a fourth repurposes it all into social media campaigns. Each agent specialized, each one communicating with the other. A self-sustaining, AI-driven team that doesn't just help you market your product, it runs your marketing engine. But even in a world of machine-led workflows, the human remains at the center. ChatGPT agents are built for collaboration. They'll ask for your input when they hit ambiguity, they'll update you as they progress, they'll pause for feedback. They adapt to your evolving context and improve as they learn your habits. This is automation as partnership, not replacement. This isn't just a product shift, it's a mindset shift. AI is no longer about prompts. It's about partnerships. It's about offloading not just the thinking, but the doing. With agents owning full workflows from research to execution, you're not just delegating a task, you're handing off outcomes. This changes the nature of work itself. Sales teams can focus on relationships instead of paperwork. Analysts can focus on insights, not formatting. Creators can focus on big ideas, not busy work. Entrepreneurs can finally scale without hiring a massive team. And everyday people can get their time back from tedious, repetitive chores. We are witnessing the beginning of autonomous knowledge work, where AI not only assists, but contributes meaningfully, proactively, and continuously. So, where do you stand in all this? Are you excited or skeptical? Can you see yourself collaborating with a ChatGPT agent every day? Would you trust one to handle your meetings, finances, or family calendar? Or do you feel uneasy handing over control, even with permissions and safeguards in place? Is this the dawn of a golden age of productivity, or the beginning of something we haven't fully understood yet? The questions are many.
But one thing is certain, ChatGPT agents are not a trend. They are not a gimmick. They are not just better bots. They are the bridge between where AI was and where the future of work is headed. The future of automation is no longer ahead of us. It's already knocking on your screen. The only question left is, will you invite it in?